English language at DEC. As is obviously known that Dyako Educational Compound is a private school based on an English curriculum.
DEC staff, that consists of many talented and amazing teachers, have always tried their best to apply that amazing plan which is prepared by the academic coordinator to expand students' vocabulary and their English speaking skills. The program also enables students to build up their understanding and comprehension of what they have read through writing activities linked to the books they read.
English Club, Spelling Bee, academic activities inside classrooms, writing essays and reading it on stage, morning circles and discussion moments between students. They are, all together, paving the way for students to speak English fluently so they can use it among themselves.
Extra classes are another factor which is arranged for students in need of extra support. English is the language of science, computers, and famous books. Last but not least is language, international communication, whether it is for professional or personal reasons. Understanding the language of English will help students reach their goals. So, that's why the DEC is the trustworthy foundation which gains parent trust for guaranteeing their children's future.